Moving, just keep moving till I don't know what to say. I've been moving so long.
Right, hi, welcome back to Well Go Biking. Well, I am about ready to go. Bike set and loaded, and so is Peter Jans.
Yes.
But it is still a bit of a sad day because we are parting ways today.
Tomorrow.
So Peter Jans is heading home today. He'll be going to Harwich, and I will be going pretty much the other way up into Wales for at least 2 days. It's a plan, as long as the weather is still okay. So, Peter Jan, any final
was
thoughts?
A lovely trip.
Lovely trip.
Yes, lovely
Yes,
trip.
good.
We were so lucky with the weather.
Yes, yeah,
We sacked the weatherman, but
yeah.
it's very good.
No, it's good.
Very good.
Well, true. So yeah, fantastic trip, and I hope to add a few more days to it, or maybe 2 or 3 maximum, and then I'll be heading home as well. And any last weather ideas?
Weather forecast? I don't give a shit.
Yeah, to give a well, anyway, we'll see what it's going to be like. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope today's ride is going to be yeah, somewhat interesting, but we'll see. All right, we'll say goodbye to Peter Jan.
See ya.
Alrighty, see you later. Nou, goed, ik ga deze kant van op. Hey, mooi. Yo. And we start off today with a nice 50-meter climb. Ooh, that's going to hurt the legs. That is a wall. It's a cycle path, so that's good. Ooh. Series of old sluices here. No water. Well, it's not used. So, first stop of the day. Ooh, that's a tough little climb, this one. Only 9 more to go. Really nice. Ooh, not much room here. That is a tight squeeze. Oh boy, why so complicated? Oh, really? That's the extent it goes to. Great. Got only one word for this. Why? I can't pass. Crack. Oh jeez. I have to find another way to get on my my track. And lunch. Wish me luck. Wow. Thought I had a quiet back road, but no. Lots of traffic on this one. Not funny at all. Right. Let's see if we can find some nice landscape, because so far today I've not been spoiled. Right, that's more like it. Nice. Oh, no worries, guys. Come on. Didn't need to scare them. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Nice. Except for the headwind uphill. It's been this is more like it, right? this when you do it right. Look at this. Oh wow. Views for miles. Just had a nice break here. Well, it's not a super spot, but at least I could sit down. And it's a little bit of climbing and going up and down involved 3 more climbs to go today. And I should be cycling along the 2 lakes. I just saw the map, so that could be nice. Other than that, I don't know if I'll pitch my tent tonight or try and find a hotel because the wind is really so hard. Well, there's always an excuse, isn't there? But we'll see at the end of the day. All right. Oh, nice. Oh no, not another one. So this is going to be interesting, eh? Attractions. But if an idiot comes up with this, really? Why? Oh, this is pretty much. No. Well, to say I'm not in love with these kinds of constructions is quite the understatement. What a fuss to get through. Incredible. It's a 1k climb, 7%, which is just as good because it's a good chance to get warm again. I am so cold. Right, I am on the top trail now. And it was recommended to me. It's supposed to be a sort of an easy way to get to the Beacons. Well, it's not really been easy today, I can tell. I was very keen on doing some camping tonight, but I felt so utterly cold at the lunch stop or the break that I just had. I can't do it. I'm not going to camp out when I'm not comfortable, so anyway, must move on now. Well, that's a nice place for a little pause. Look at that. Right, that was a nice stop. So let's continue because I think we've got another lake or reservoir to go to today. Go away. Reservoir. Okay, I'm heading that way. Well, I had just had an absolutely super steep descent, and I just lost my rear brake as well. That was not a fun thing to witness. It is super hot. Maybe that's the cause, or cable is affected somehow. I don't know. Never happened that. Not on a rim brake, and certainly did not expect that to happen on a disc brake system. So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes, let things cool down a bit and see what's happening then. It was a very sketchy descent anyway, but this is really taking it to the next level. All right, I'll see you later. Taliban turbine. New power station. Oh wow, the Welsh language is impossible. That is a perfect road. Yay! It could be me, but I'm constantly bewildered by the options I have to take at roundabouts, because now I'm facing steps and that's not right. Then I have to go on the dual carriageway, which to say the least I am not keen on, and that's, yeah, I have no clue what to do, to be honest. Right, I'll go back 50 meters, see what happens. Well, I saw a pub restaurant open, so I'm going there quickly. Right, that is it. I have managed to find my B&B for tonight. Well, altogether I had an absolute amazing night. It was a bit funny to ride alone. I kind of miss my buddy, but yeah, that's how these things go, right? So yeah, I'll meet up with him in a week or so. Yeah, I do hope you enjoyed this ride, and if so, give us some thumbs up. That would be appreciated. So I hope to see you in a next video. Until then, enjoy your ride, stay safe out there. Cheers.